Let's learn about computer components. RAM, router, scanner, SMPS, speaker, USB drive, web camera, cables, CD drive, floppy disk, hard disk, headphones, keyboard, monitor, motherboard, mouse, printer, processor.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.